Hey Cuba, this is going to be some kind of review and unboxing about this 1x2x3 made of Legos. So, you may have already seen my 2x2x3. This one, the 2x2x3 has been made of a big 1x2x3 inside. So this one is the small version of the 1x2x3. Which isn't probably not that good as the big 1x2x3, but well, it should still be able to move. So as you can see, it's this package inside of this paper. So it's the first time I ordered something like that from Lego. Well, I'm not sure how to open this correctly. Oh, like that. Well, that's what it looks like. Okay. Some small bag with the pieces. And my address, I'm not going to show that to you, so, but well, these are the pieces, a lot of red pieces, so it's gonna be a wet cubit, and, which is pretty cool, building instructions, so that's really nice. It says something like, this building guide has been automatically generated based on your designs. So, really cool right now. So, well, I'm gonna build this and get to you later when this is finished. So, now I finished building the puzzle and this is the result. Looks really nice. Usual color scheme, as you can see, it's white and red, green opposite blue, yellow, just no orange because they didn't have orange. Well, that's not that kind of problem. And as you can see, inside it's red. And just want to mention that this version is not the latest version. Its turning is probably the same, but as you can see, here's a little gap between these pieces, and on the latest version of the puzzle that you can order, there's no such gap. By the way, the link is in the description if you want to order one of these. So, well, let's get to the most important part about it, the turning, which is probably not that good. I did not test it yet, but well, as I have mentioned before, I don't expect it to be as good as the big version. So, first turn, small side, turn really smoothly, which is nice. Well, now you can see this one locks a little bit this direction. Don't know why that is. Okay, let me try to rotate in this direction. So you can see these small layers do function. Now the big layer also works. And as you can see, it's not that smooth as these small ones. Okay, they're not that smooth as well, but well, as you can see, if I do just half a turn like that, pieces tend to be like that. So, well, I mean, that's okay. At last it does turn. And it doesn't turn that badly. So let me do a chicken pattern. Down, up, and a white, which again sucks a little bit. And as you can see, it's chicken. So I hope that's been enough of a demonstration about it. And of course I want you to make I want you to watch this video, but I also want you to buy this puzzle if you like it. If not, well, then just buy the bigger version, which will be much better. So I already tested the big version and it is incredibly smooth and does not lock much and is very good. So if you don't like this one and you have enough money for the big one, I say you should buy the big one. But this one is pretty cool as a small one, really small. And of course then you get the updated version, which is that little bit better because of this gap is missing on the latest version. So hope to see you later.